Hey Speed Society Car Club, it's Brian. It is October and I'm here for the unboxing of Speed Society Car Club number 30. It's October, Halloween's knocking on your door, and this is the kickoff to holiday season. This is SSCC number 30, so that's a milestone for us. I'm here to give you a quick walkthrough and take you on a little journey of what it's like to receive your Speed Society Car Club drop at your doorstep every month, what you get inside of your drop, the thought process behind it, and how it all comes together as a composition. The theme is called Wolfpack. What does Wolfpack mean in context to Speed Society Car Club? All of us as passionate car enthusiasts, people that live, breathe, eat, and sleep cars, how we can modify them, how we can make them faster, what we can do to stand out from everyone else and do this to please ourselves. That is an alpha wolf. It's somebody that does everything it takes to achieve exactly what they want when it comes to their life, or in this circumstance, to their car. You know, whether that is trying to tune it, making it quicker, getting more power, changing things aesthetically, just making your car sexy and making it something that makes you happy. It doesn't matter what other people think, it's about what makes you happy, and you're an alpha wolf. So how does that relate to, from you being an alpha wolf and the wolf pack? Well, the wolf pack consists of the entire car club. It consists of every single person that's an alpha wolf, like yourself, like myself, and brings everybody together into a pack, into a crew, into a car club, represents each of these alpha wolves in every single discipline, from JDM to drag cars, to muscle cars, to off-roading, to everybody that's part of our car club community. From that point, should make a lot of clarity behind Wolfpack and representing the car club. I'm gonna take you through the drop itself. We're gonna start with your car club drop. This is what you're gonna get delivered to your doorstep every single month. Thank you for speeding. Inside of every single drop, you're gonna get a limited edition piece of apparel. And that is a piece that is designed only for car club members. We lay out within that the piece of apparel, an insert which tells the whole thought process and the story behind it. And you also get 2 limited edition decals that are on theme to this. And in this circumstance, it is the Wolfpack. And here is the brand new insert for Wolfpack. And if this is any inclination of what is coming, it's another banger. So our first decal, and this is representative of SSCC number 30. This is something that is a milestone for us, and we're not stopping. We're never gonna lift, no brakes, all gas, right? Here is our never break decal. To kick it up even further, we have got our awesome alpha wolf for the wolf pack. It's so menacing, I love it. We got the little icon inside the mouth. Now I'm gonna get into what you guys are waiting for, and this is the reveal of SSCC number 30 shirt. And I'm gonna start with the front this time, and we're gonna go directly into the Speed Society Car Club logo. This is gonna be on a heather gray shirt. We have the Speed Society Car Club, and that's gonna be in white, black, and red. We have something that is a little premature. I would like to show you the arm, but I'm gonna save that because I wanna reveal the back first. So we did a limited exclusive hit on the bottom right-hand corner, and that is reminiscent of the decal, never break. That's the car club. That is the wolf pack. We're never stopping, all gas, no brake. Now we're gonna go to the rear of the shirt. Absolutely kills it. So here's the reveal. On the wolf pack, we have got this wicked wolf. We've got in bold font pack, we've got the wolf pack itself right here, SSCC for Speed Society Car Club. And of course, we always are gonna throw our limited edition numbers in here. So this is 30 for SSCC number 30. So Wolfpack with an icon, SSCC pack 30, and then we've got Speed Society Car Club, automotive enthusiasts only. We think you're gonna absolutely love it, and we took this a step further. So you always know that we include our limited edition number on our right sleeve. Every single one of our Car Club shirts have that treatment. Well, this one, we took it a little bit further and we included an awesome profile shot of an alpha wolf with the SSCC number 30, and the moon that wolf is howling to is the Speed Society icon. This is something representative of the car club and the wolf pack and the crew that we have. But how can we take this even further and add a little love for Halloween to it? We've got, you know, the angry alpha wolf, werewolf style face. Well, we decided to kick it up and make this thing glow. When you shut out the lights, you're gonna have the two eyes and all the teeth of this wolf are gonna glow in the dark. Your moon, your outline, that wolf is going to also have the moon glow in the dark. Absolutely killer, you're gonna love it. So that is the drop, that's SSCC number 30. It's been another month. Stoked to drop this one for you guys. For all of you that are new, do not know the other benefits of the Speed Society Car Club, it is much, much more than just the lifestyle element. It's much more than the community. It's much more than these awesome drops you get every month, even though that they kill it. You get 85 entries every single month to the current giveaway. This month happens to be just as wicked, if not more wicked than this shirt, and it is a demon, a collectible demon. You're not gonna wanna miss that. Furthermore, more value you get 10% off the store, you get free shipping, you get invited to VIP events throughout the country when we put these things on, we put these races and events on. You know, there's so many other little elements that you get from being a car club member. I highly suggest that you do it. It is something that you're gonna love and you're gonna fiend for every single month when these new drops happen. So we can't do this without you. Love every single one of you guys. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the support, and we're gonna see you next month.